Hi, my name is Michael Energy from Per Diem, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up gift cards on the Per Diem merchant dashboard. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is go to the sidebar and then click on gift cards. So once you click on gift cards, it's going to take you to this page, and there are two sections here. You have the opportunity to set the amount configuration and the gift cards images. So for the amount configuration, this is where you set up gift card amounts for your mobile app. So there are three amounts that are there by default, and then there's a custom option on the mobile app for the user to select a different amount that they prefer if it's not part of the options provided. But for the options provided, this is where you make the change. So the first thing you want to do is go to the options. There's an amount option 1, 2, and 3, and you can set the amounts there and save it. Pretty much that's how it's done. Easy. And the second section is the gift card images. So the user can decide to select a different image within the mobile app, and this is where it's been uploaded. So you can add several images here, and the customer would have the ability to select either of them while sending the gift card. So once the gift card is sent to the recipient, it's going to be sent with the image, the amounts, and all other relevant information. Another thing you can do is to view all the gift card transactions. So all you have to do is click on this button, and it's going to take you to the page. You get to see all the gift card transactions, the sender, the phone number, the number of gift cards that they've sent. You also have the option to view details for each of those records, and you get to see a breakdown of everything. So the dates, the recipients, the amounts, the gift card number, the risk level, and then the status. So whether that gift card has been redeemed or not, this is how you can quickly see that. You have the options to also filter this by a date range or a certain time period. Pretty easy, and you can search for a specific customer as well. So that is how you view the gift card transactions within the Per Diem merchant dashboard, and also set up gift cards, amount configuration, and gift card images within the Per Diem merchant dashboard. Thank you.